Stoke Bruerne on an extended walk today. We're going to go the opposite way to the Woodside Walk. Go down here for maybe half a mile, and then cross over to the other side and then walk back up.
Harlem River, talk to me. Tell me what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, love, love,
Pressing down the
love.
lock now. Little sequence, as you can see.
Harlem River, talk to me. Where we headed now? Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love. All because of you. In my pearl and my diamond shoe, I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon. Harlem River, all because of you.
Okay, so we've got another building here on the canal. Not sure what it is.
In Harlem River, swallow me.
I think these are some kind
Put
of
your
balance
hands
tanks.
around my neck.
I'm not sure whether they're selling
In Harlem
this or not.
River, I
think
can't
it's-
breathe. They've got the lights down now. In Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds. In Harlem River, all because oh, I'm nowhere now. Harlem River, tell me, is it true that in my pearl and my diamond shoes, I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon? Harlem River, all because of you.
Pumping station here. Could be some kind of level control system. Some more interesting things. It's like another kind of level control system here. So if it rises over the thing, it weighs out to the other side.
Just where I'm going, 'cause I've never been.
I think this is as far as we're going to go this direction. I'm going to turn around now and go back to Stoke Bruerne.
I don't know just where I'm going or where I've been. Oh, Harlem River, like a diamond.
Here we are, pressing the navigation. Here, right, and then the mile. Here we are on the continuation of our exploration of Stoke Bruerne and the surrounding canal. This is the Woodside Walk section we're on now, which takes you to the top of River Tunnel, and then we'll drop down to the old ironmongeries, and then it's back to the car park. Probably another, I don't know, half a mile maybe. See you later.
Ride on that easy ride.
Okay, we've just come to the end of our walk. That's 3.5 miles down Grand Union Canal, and my legs aching a little bit. It's a bit slutchy as well.
Ride on that easy rider. Flow like that Harlem River. I ride for you, I ride